In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how the Elementor Pro login widget works, all its settings, all its features, and everything you can do with it, and we're getting started right now. Hey, what is going on? My name is Bjorn. If you like WordPress tips and tricks and always getting better at it, make sure you click subscribe, then the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. And this video is part of the Elementor Pro playlist in this channel. Link in the description down below or part of the comments down below. Make sure you check out the whole playlist to see all the widgets in action. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you get on the Elementor Pro Ultimate Course waitlist, which I'm building right now. I'm still in the process of building it. It's not completed yet. Getting on the waitlist is no obligation. But if you do like Elementor and you want to know how to do everything with it, get on that waitlist. Link in the description down below. And with that out of the way, let's head into screen capture. I'll see you there.
I'm going to duplicate the headline again. Copy, paste it down below, and I'm going to change this to login form, because with Elementor Pro we can add login forms. Click on this grid icon again, find our login form widget just called login, drag and drop it, and we have a login form built for us right here. And this ties into the WordPress login. So if you put this on the home page of your website, you can actually enter your login credentials right on the home page and log into the site. And if you have a membership site, they would log into whatever membership class they're a part of and go to whatever content they go to after they log in. So it works just like the login page, only it's a form you can put anywhere, which is pretty awesome. The options are pretty simple because you don't want to change too much of this. You can't add more fields easily and things like that because really it's username and password to log in. You can show or hide the labels. You can make the input size various sizes. The button, I'm going to make mine all the way across and extra large so it fits with the rest. Additional options, redirect after login. This is only useful when you don't have a membership site. So this would be for you and your team maybe to redirect them somewhere. By default, you go into the WordPress dashboard, but you can send them somewhere else if you want. You can redirect after a log out. You can have the lost password link here or not. You can have the remember me link here or not. You can have a logged in message. This is when you're already logged in. It'll say you're already logged in. You can show that or not. Under style, we can have a gap between our input fields. We can change the color of the links, which I turned off. But if we have these links on, specifically lost your password, you can change the color of the link to whatever color you want. I'm going to keep mine as default. For the fields, you can change their colors, background colors, borders, things like that, just like a regular form. For the button, same thing. I'm going to change the button color. I can't copy that one easily, unfortunately, so I have to go in and actually get the colors because I want to have this button color. I like this color. So the green one is the default for the page, or the one of the color palette options. So I don't have to copy that color. But for the button, I'm going to change background to this green. On hover, the background is going to be this blue. There we go. Good looking button. You can have it animated or not, and you can't add an icon, it looks like. Or can you? No, there's no icon to add. And under advanced, we have all the same settings that we always do for advanced things. And that is our login form element. There's really not much to it, but it allows you to have a login on any page instead of just the regular login page. And as always, make sure you save your work before you do anything else, because there's nothing worse than putting in a bunch of work and then leaving the page or having the page timeout or having the internet go down or something and then having to redo all the stuff you already did.
So that's how it works. I hope this video helps you. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to click subscribe, then the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. And also consider buying Elementor through the affiliate link down below. It doesn't cost you any more to purchase it that way, but Elementor does send me a few dollars commission, which helps me keep these glorious lights on. And if you do purchase through there, thank you very much. And next up is clicking one of these videos that popped up on the right-hand side so you can get even better at WordPress. And until next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.